If you are over the age of 45 and you have noticed that your vision feels weaker at night, or that your memory feels slower than it used to, you are not imagining things. Many seniors experience these changes quietly and assume it is simply part of getting older. But what most people are never told is that aging itself is not the main problem. The real issue is that the brain and the eyes stop repairing efficiently, especially during sleep, when repair should be strongest. Every night, while you sleep, your brain enters a maintenance phase. It clears waste, repairs damaged cells, and strengthens important connections related to memory and focus. Your eyes also recover during this time. The retina, optic nerve, and tiny blood vessels finally get relief from daily strain caused by light exposure, screens, and natural aging. However, this repair process only works well if the body has the right nutrients available at the right time. As we age, nutrient absorption becomes weaker. That means even people who eat healthy during the day may still lack what the brain and eyes need at night. This is why what you eat before bed matters. More than most people realize, certain foods quietly support nighttime repair, while others block it completely. Tonight you will learn about 4 specific foods that seniors rarely hear about for nighttime use. These foods work with your body while you sleep, helping to repair brain cells, protect vision, and support clearer thinking in the morning. These are not supplements, and they are not trendy health fads. They are simple foods that provide powerful benefits when eaten at the right time. The first food is purple sweet potato. This is different from the common orange variety most people know. Purple sweet potatoes contain high levels of anthocyanins, natural compounds that protect brain cells and retinal tissue. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of memory decline and vision problems in older adults. At night, anthocyanins are especially effective because inflammation naturally decreases during sleep. This allows these compounds to work more efficiently, protecting neurons and supporting communication between brain cells. Purple sweet potatoes also provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, which help maintain stable blood sugar levels overnight. Stable blood sugar is important for protecting the small blood vessels in the eyes and preventing nighttime awakenings. A small serving of purple sweet potato in the evening, baked or steamed without sugar or butter, provides enough nourishment to support repair without overloading digestion. Eating it about 1 hour before bed gives the body time to begin processing nutrients before sleep begins. The second food is pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are rich in zinc and magnesium, 2 minerals that are essential for brain signaling and eye health. Zinc helps transport vitamin A to the retina, which is critical for maintaining night vision. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system, allowing deeper and more restorative sleep. Many seniors are unknowingly deficient in magnesium, which can lead to restless sleep and poor nighttime repair. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that supports melatonin production. Melatonin is the hormone that signals the body it is time to sleep, and higher quality sleep allows the brain and eyes to repair more effectively. A small handful of raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds in the evening is enough. Avoid salted or flavored versions, as excess sodium can interfere with nighttime circulation. The third food is sardines. Sardines are one of the best natural sources of DHA, a fatty acid that makes up a large portion of the brain and retina. DHA supports communication between neurons and helps maintain sharp vision. As people age, DHA levels decline, which contributes to slower thinking and reduced visual clarity. Eating a small portion of sardines in the evening provides DHA when the brain is preparing for repair. During sleep, DHA integrates into cell membranes, strengthening brain and eye cells. Sardines also contain vitamin D, which supports nerve protection and reduces inflammation. The fourth food is kiwi fruit. Kiwi supports sleep quality by helping regulate neurotransmitters involved in relaxation. Better sleep means more time spent in deep repair stages. Kiwi also provides antioxidants that protect retinal cells from damage and support the structures of the eye. Now that you understand what these 4 foods are, it is important to understand what actually happens inside your body once you fall asleep, because this is where most health advice completely misses the mark. Sleep is not passive, it is an active repair cycle, and the brain and eyes are some of the most demanding organs during this process. In the first phase of sleep, your brain begins clearing metabolic waste that builds up during the day. These waste products interfere with memory, focus, and processing speed. If they are not cleared properly, they accumulate over time and contribute to cognitive decline. At the same time, your eyes begin repairing light-sensitive cells in the retina that were stressed by daylight and artificial lighting. This repair process requires energy, protection, and circulation. Purple sweet potato provides slow, steady glucose that fuels neurons without causing insulin spikes. This is important because sudden changes in blood sugar during the night can damage small blood vessels, especially those that supply the eyes. Stable energy allows repair to continue uninterrupted. The anthocyanins in the sweet potato also reduce oxidative stress during sleep. Oxidative stress damages brain cells and retinal tissue, making signals weaker and vision less sharp. When oxidative stress is reduced, neurons communicate more efficiently, and memory consolidation improves. Pumpkin seeds begin working as soon as digestion starts. Magnesium relaxes the nervous system, helping the body transition into deep sleep stages. Deep sleep is where the most significant brain repair occurs. Zinc supports enzymes involved in memory formation and helps deliver vitamin A to the retina, improving low-light vision. As sleep deepens, sardines play a critical role. DHA from sardines integrates into brain cell membranes during sleep. This strengthens synapses, which are the connections between neurons. Stronger synapses mean faster recall, better focus, and improved mental clarity. In the eyes, DHA supports the structure of photoreceptor cells, helping them respond more accurately to light. Vitamin D from sardines reduces inflammation in neural tissue. Chronic inflammation interferes with repair and accelerates decline. By calming inflammation at night, vitamin D allows repair processes to proceed efficiently. Kiwi contributes by improving sleep quality itself. Better sleep architecture means you spend more time in deep and restorative stages. Kiwi supports serotonin balance, which influences melatonin production. Higher quality sleep gives the brain and eyes more time to repair, rebuild, and reorganize. These foods do not act as stimulants. They do not force changes. They support natural biological rhythms. This is why they are especially effective for seniors, whose bodies respond better to gentle support than aggressive intervention. Timing is critical. The ideal window to eat these foods is between 60 and 90 minutes before bedtime. This allows digestion to begin without interfering with sleep onset. Eating too close to bedtime diverts energy toward digestion instead of repair. Portion size matters more at night than during the day. These foods act as signals, not meals. Overeating, even healthy foods, can disrupt sleep and block repair by increasing insulin and digestive activity. Hydration should be moderate. A small glass of water helps nutrient circulation, but excess fluids can disrupt sleep with nighttime awakenings. Consistency is the most overlooked factor. These foods do not work overnight like medication. They work gradually by supporting repair cycles night after night. Most seniors who benefit notice subtle improvements within 2 to 4 weeks. Clearer mornings, less eye strain, improved word recall, and deeper sleep are common early signs. It is important to understand that daytime nutrition and nighttime nutrition serve different purposes. Daytime eating fuels activity. Nighttime eating supports repair. Many people eat well during the day but neglect nighttime needs, allowing damage to accumulate slowly. If you take medications, spacing matters. Leave at least 1 hour between medication and bedtime foods unless your doctor advises otherwise. These foods are generally gentle, but proper timing avoids interference. Avoid pairing these foods with sugar, alcohol, or processed snacks. Sugar raises inflammation and disrupts sleep hormones. Alcohol suppresses REM sleep and blocks repair. Processed foods increase oxidative stress. Light exposure also matters. Bright screens after eating suppress melatonin and cancel out benefits. Dimming lights and avoiding screens supports natural repair signals. Now let us turn everything you have learned into a simple and realistic bedtime routine that fits into everyday life, because information only helps when it becomes action. The goal is not to change everything at once, but to support your body consistently, night after night, in a way that feels calm and sustainable. Start by choosing one or two of the foods, not all four at the same time. Many seniors respond best when the body is given gentle signals rather than overload. For example, you might choose purple sweet potato and pumpkin seeds on one evening, and sardines with kiwi on another. Rotation keeps digestion comfortable and prevents boredom. The timing matters. Aim to eat about 60 to 90 minutes before you plan to sleep. This window allows nutrients to begin circulating while digestion remains light. Eating too early reduces effectiveness, and eating too late pulls energy away from repair. Keep portions small. A few bites of purple sweet potato, a small handful of pumpkin seeds, a modest serving of sardines, or one kiwi is enough. The body does not need large quantities at night. It needs clarity and balance. After eating, reduce stimulation. Bright lights, loud television, and phone screens interfere with melatonin release. Melatonin is not just a sleep hormone. It also plays a role in antioxidant protection for the brain and eyes. Dimming lights and avoiding screens supports deeper repair. Sleep environment matters more with age. A dark, quiet room allows the brain to remain in deep sleep longer. This gives repair systems more time to work. Even small improvements in sleep quality compound over weeks and months. Now let us talk about what to avoid, because avoiding the wrong things is just as important as eating the right ones. Sugar before bed is one of the most damaging habits for seniors. It raises insulin, increases inflammation, and disrupts sleep cycles. This directly blocks brain and eye repair. Alcohol may feel relaxing, but it suppresses deep sleep and REM sleep. That is when memory consolidation and visual processing reset. Even small amounts can reduce repair quality. Processed snacks create oxidative stress and strain digestion. Heavy meals overload the system and force the body to focus on digestion instead of repair. Caffeine in the afternoon or evening delays sleep hormones and shortens deep sleep phases. Even if you fall asleep, repair will be weaker. Now let us set realistic expectations because this is important for motivation. These foods do not create instant transformation. They support repair processes that already exist. The benefits appear gradually. In the first 2 weeks, many seniors notice deeper sleep and less morning grogginess. By 3 to 4 weeks, subtle improvements in focus, recall, and visual comfort may appear. Over time, these changes help slow decline and preserve function. Vision and memory loss rarely happen suddenly. They happen quietly when repair fails night after night. By supporting repair consistently, you change the long-term trajectory. It is also important to understand that these foods support health, not replace medical care. If you have diagnosed eye conditions or neurological concerns, continue working with your healthcare provider. Nutrition works best as a foundation, not a substitute. One of the most powerful effects of this routine is confidence. Many seniors feel helpless about aging. Supporting your body at night restores a sense of control. You are no longer waiting for decline. You are participating in preservation. Share this information with someone you care about. Many older adults suffer quietly, assuming nothing can be done. Sometimes the right knowledge at the right moment makes all the difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Senior Health Today for more science-based, natural strategies designed specifically for adults over 45. Our focus is not on trends, but on practical habits that work with your body. Tonight, choose one small step. Eat calmly, sleep deeply, allow your body to do what it was designed to do. Your brain and your eyes are still capable of repair. They just need the right support at the right time, night after night.